Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into creating a personal hydration tracker in Airtable, your 2025 guide to staying hydrated. First things first, log into your Airtable account and create a new base. You may choose Start from Scratch for the purpose of this tutorial. The reason we do this is to create a tailored tracker that suits your specific hydration needs. Once the base is ready, we'll need to define our fields. Let's start with the date. Make sure you choose the date field type. Next up, add another field named Water Intake and select Number as its type. These fields will help us note down the date and the amount of water consumed in milliliters or ounces, your preference. Now that we've done that, let's add a third field titled Hydration Goal. This will also be a number field, and this is where you'll input your daily hydration target. This helps us because we can compare the actual intake to the goal and see how well you're doing. Next, we'll make good use of Airtable's formula feature. Add a new field named Status and choose the formula field type. Then, input a formula to compare water intake with hydration goal. If water intake equals or exceeds hydration goal, it should display hydrated. Otherwise, drink more. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The formula is automatically calculating your hydration status based on your water intake and goal. Finally, let's make the base visually appealing. You can customize the colors and even add emojis to the status field. A green color and a checkmark emoji for hydrated, and a red color with a droplet emoji for drink more. The reason we do this is to make the tracker more interactive and fun to use. And that's it. You've now set up a personal hydration tracker in Airtable. This will not only keep you mindful of your water consumption, but also motivate you to meet your daily hydration goals. Stay tuned for more quick guides, and remember, hydration is key for a healthy lifestyle.